In today's video, I'm going to share what a copyright bypass tool is and how it works. This tool applies different effects and transformations to videos. In this video, I'll show you the various options available in the tool and explain how to use them step by step. I'll also explain how the tool processes videos and what each feature does. So, let's get started. Here we have the interface of the copyright bypass tool. You can see two main sections, input, output. In the input section, you need to add the video file you want to work with. For example, if you have a video file on your computer, simply place it in the input section. After that, the tool processes the video using different effects and motion options, then generates a new output file. Some of the available options include moving, flip, repeat, multi-zoom, center zoom, corner zoom. You can choose any option based on your preference. For example, if you select center zoom repeat, the video will continuously zoom in and zoom out. Similarly, corner zoom moves the video toward different corners of the screen, while multi-zoom applies multiple zoom effects throughout the video. Now I'm going to select center zoom repeat. As soon as I click on it, the tool starts processing the video, and after a short time, provides a new output file. Now let's take a look at the output video. As you can see, zoom in and zoom out effects have been applied. The video continuously moves and appears in different styles and positions. That's the basic function of this tool. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Note, this is a paid copyright bypass tool. The price is only PKR 500. If you would like to purchase it, please contact the number provided in the video description via WhatsApp or phone call for further details.
आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी, वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को फटाक से सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन पर प्रेस करो और कमेंट करके लाजमी बताइएगा वीडियो कैसी लगी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाज़त।